what your cards your opponent is holding, and your ability to tell a story about the cards that you are holding, which leads your opponent to do something that you want them to do.
How does a person answer why something happens?
When you look at the findings in different fields,
scant is the part of life in which we live.
To attain the highest values.
That skill development began for me in gin and extended into poker, that I realized there was a lot of power in understanding human psychology, being able to tell a story that got my opponents to do what I would want them to do. They would walk into traps. And at the same point that even though I was playing through a screen, right? All I can see is someone's avatar, what they type into the chat, the numbers that they bet, if they bet 450 or 456, or the timing with which they click. Do they bet quickly or do they hesitate before clicking? There's a lot of noise in this data, but at the same time, there's a person on the other side of the screen. This person has deep psychological needs. They have a varying emotional state. They have mental models, ways of looking at the world. And if I could find signal in this noise with what they were telling me, both consciously, the story they were trying to tell, the deception, and subconsciously, the things that they were revealing without even realizing it, I would be able to accumulate an edge in that I would be able to see through the screen and have a good idea of the cards they were playing.